Naga Munchetty apologized to fans as her uncontrollable cough got the better of her live on air, at the start of her 3-hour show. At one point, the 46-year-old had to play a pre-recorded clip as she went off-air to get some water. In the first hour of her show, she caught up with a bar owner in Benidorm as they discussed travel restrictions easing. She went on to ask listeners for their thoughts on Boris Johnson, who said businesses had been mainlining cheap labour for years before Brexit. "I would love to hear from you on this," Naga said before coughing. "Excuse me," she added, as she tried to continue with what she was saying. Adam Henson talks being left with a heavy heart after holiday. The BBC host then turned croaky as she struggled to get through her next sentence. "Right, give me a second, I'm just going to cough," she continued, before she put her microphone on mute. Naga returned seconds later telling listeners she was all good, despite still seeming a little croaky. Unfortunately for the presenter, the cough got the better of her and she did it again. "Sorry," she followed. "Let's play a clip of Boris Johnson and I can grab a quick glass of water." After the audio clip played, she seemed to be a little bit better with a clearer voice. However, just minutes later, she apologized to listeners again following another cough. The presenter went on to interview guest Shane Brennan, which gave her voice a rest. Meghan Markle's ill-fitting outfits slammed by Lady C, opinion Miriam Margolyes addresses claims she shouldn't have accepted OBE, revealed blessing in disguise. Jeanette Manrara shares cryptic post, Instagram. As the show went on, she seemed to regain control and spoke more clearly. Naga joined the station back in January, replacing Emma Barnett. She said of her new job at the time, 5 Live has one of the most passionate, engaged audiences in radio. "The prospect of talking to those listeners every week really excites me." She added, "I have always wanted to work more in radio and after such an enjoyable experience presenting on the station recently, I jumped at this opportunity." 5 Live controller Heidi Dawson described Naga as a brilliant broadcaster and a fearless journalist. She is also a regular presenter on BBC Breakfast.